Hi, today we're going to look at the basic form of logarithmic graphs. So we have this f of x equals log base 5 of x. There's a couple questions that we need to ask ourselves. Number one, what is the base? Our base in this case is 5, that little number hanging out down on the bottom. So step one, done, great. Step two is we're going to take this base of 5 and we're going to plug it into a set of 3 coordinates. Now, when we're dealing with logs, these 3 coordinates always going to happen. 1 over b comma negative 1, 1 comma 0, and b comma 1. Let's just fill in that 5, giving us 1 over 5 and then 5. So these are the 3 coordinates that we need to graph now. This will never change, just these 2 numbers. Okay, now let's take these 3 coordinates, let's graph them. 1/5 comma negative 1. So I'm going to go left and right 1/5. I'm going to go down 1. I'm going to go over 1 and up 0. I'm going to go over 5 and up 1. All right, so now we start and we just draw. So what happens now? This graph, this thing's moving in 3 different directions. We're going to the right, 4 directions, I guess. We're going to the right always. And very slowly, this thing's creeping upwards. Always, forever, always going upwards, never stopping, both directions. This one now, very quickly is it going down. Very slowly, it's creeping up over to this axis, the y-axis here. But it's going to creep over as slow as possible and as close as possible, but never, ever, 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 ever going to hit it. So we say that there's an asymptote at x equals 0 on the y-axis. And that is graphing the basic form of logarithm.